The residents of Narok North constituency have expressed that Kisiriri Narok Road was launched on the same date as Narok Sekenani Road, pointing out that the contractor of the road leading to the Masai Mara Game Reserve has already laid tarmac. The Narok Kisiriri Road has been politicized since independence, with various regimes promising to construct road. However, residents have been hopeful that the Jubilee administration will connect Narok and Nakuru counties. Cabinet Secretary for Interior and National Coordination, Dr. Fred Matiang'i, should visit the region and monitor why tarmacking of the road has taken too long as compared to the Narok Sekenani Road. He added that UNI contractor seems to be incapacitated to the construction of the 51-kilometer of road. Sameri, a resident of Kisiriri, expressed that they are worried why the contractor has not even laid a kilometer of tarmac, adding that the residents want Dr. Fred Matiang'i to take charge and to make an impromptu tour to assess the progress of road construction.
Kwa hivyo sisi kama wakazi wa Kisiriri tunaomba serikali Matiang'i ulipewa kazi ya kusimamia projects za barabara. Tafadhali tunakuomba ingilia kati barabara ya Kisiriri Mau. Hakuna kazi yote inaendelea.
Gashoka, who is the truck driver, is plying Narok Nakuru via the Kisiriri Narok Road, noted that the road construction is sluggish, adding that there is need for government officials to closely monitor the contractor working on the project. On the other hand, efforts to reach the contractor for comments were futile. Masikaramai PTV.